So welcome back. Today we are going to see Python installation and downloading. So Python interpreter, that is idle, that is used for small programmings, and for bigger one we need IDE. So visit the last previous video for what is IDE and to see all that. A link will be provided. Okay, just enter Python interpreter in the Chrome, and the first link which you can see, that is www.python.org. Click on it. So this way look. So the latest version is 3.8.3, so that we are going to download. It was released in 2019 and it will end at 2024. Okay, so there are many versions created before it. So just you have to click and it will ask you for 32 bits, 64 bits, and just you have to do next. So I have already downloaded it. So it looks similar like CMD, right? So does it works? Yes. Print and I write any message. Yeah, we got the output. So let us try for the IDE, that is PyCharm. So just write as PyCharm download. It was developed by JetBrains. So click on it. We have got here two, that is professional and community. Okay, so professional give you HTML, JS, etc. So it has some charges. And next is community. It is free and open source. So we are going to download community. Here also I have already downloaded it, so I will show you how it looks. So this is it, PyCharm community. So while installing, just as we are doing next you have to do the same. And while opening PyCharm, they will ask you for the dark mode or light mode. So select as per your choice, and here we are going to open a new scratch file. We have to create the scratches over here to write our code. So file, new scratch file, and there you have to click Python. So this is the way it looks. Yeah, this is my light mode. So we'll try some mathematical calculation. Let us do small calculation, that is just 8 plus 2, and click on run and select the scratch which you just created, and yes, we got the output. Why not we try the for capital P? Does it accept it? No, we got the error. Let's try to run it again. So what is the error? It says print is not defined. So it is case sensitive. Used small p, and we'll run it again. So shortcut key is there like shift